In this video, we will walk through how to set up and turn on GigSky mobile data on an Android device and how to use your Visa benefits to do so. Before we begin, make sure you have everything you need to set up GigSky: an unlocked eSIM-capable Android device, the GigSky app, and a strong Wi-Fi connection. After you install the GigSky app onto your device, allow the GigSky app to use your location when prompted. Visa cardholders should tap the Visa banner in the home screen in order to access additional benefits. To check if your Visa card is eligible for a GigSky benefit, enter the card number and tap Check Eligibility. If the card is eligible, you will see a screen like this. If it is not eligible, you can go back to the GigSky home screen to purchase a regular plan. If you do not already have a GigSky account, you will need to create a GigSky account as instructed on the app and then add your credit card details as follows. To register your card, enter the card details. You are not obliged to use this Visa card to pay for all GigSky services. Other credit cards or Apple Pay may be used to purchase service from GigSky. However, you can only take advantage of the Visa benefit when you use the eligible Visa card as your payment method. In the home screen, you can see the entitlement details of any eligible Visa card that you have added. Tap on Redeem Now, shown in any of your eligible Visa card entries, to see the details of the benefit. Tap on the info icon to see the list of countries included in the plan. To purchase this plan, tap on the blue box and continue to the checkout process. After purchasing your data plan, the installation process will begin. Click Yes to allow your carrier to download your new eSIM. For mobile data, tap Use GigSky if you're already at your destination and ready to use GigSky data. Remember, don't turn it on until you're ready to use it. If you're not at your final destination, you can always come back to this video and complete the setup when you're ready. Now, configure your device. Go to Settings and tap Network and Internet. Tap Internet to find your new eSIM entry. Select your new eSIM to access its settings. Make sure the Use SIM and mobile data toggles are switched on. Switch the roaming toggle on and tap OK to allow data roaming for your new eSIM. You're now ready to use your GigSky mobile data plan. Enjoy seamless connectivity wherever you go. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.